This video is going to be called a bird's eye view, because I'm up in a tree, as you can see. And then here's some views of some other stuff. Now it's called a bird's eye view because, of course, birds live up in trees. Duh. And, of course, they see, like, the world like this up in a tree all the time. And, the tree that I'm up in is called a magnolia tree. Here's a leaf. They do have pine needle-like things on them, but I can't find any. I don't think they grow right now. Here would be the start of one right here. Right there. That's a pretty tree. And of course the birds would be up here with all these leaves and stuff. And they'd get to see fall right up close. Now I'm gonna go down a little bit more. Okay, I was right here, standing right here. Now I was facing out towards that way, towards this field in front of me. And, like, not a lot of birds go in this tree. I don't know why. More birds go in trees like this one over here. And these other trees in my backyard over here. Okay, and I think I'm gonna try and go up. Now I'm up a little bit farther. I was down there on this branch, but now I'm up here on this branch. And to get up here, I had to hold the camera with my mouth, if you're wondering. And I would advise other people not to do this. This is not something that little kids should try and do, because it's sort of dangerous. But anyways, now I'm about probably a good 15 to 20 feet above the ground up in this tree. See, there's the ground down there. And I can see the road. I would advise kids really not to do this, because I'm standing up without hardly any balance. I mean, without hardly any branches, so you have to have really good balance to do this. And there's some more trees, and there's the field over here. So I'm kind of up even farther. I'm standing instead of sitting, like always. And the top of this tree is very far up, and I can't get up there. So sorry. And I can see a dog from up here, too. You can see a lot of good things if you have a tree to climb up in. And that's it. This is